Hello guys, welcome back to VM Rackers. So sorry guys, not posting any videos for a while. So yeah, today's gonna be very informative, I guess. I mean, not really, but so the thing is, we've found a really cool method. I mean, as you've already read in the thumbnail. So what we're gonna do today is that we're going to teach you how to make a nameless title for a YouTube video. So yeah, it's quite popular now, but when I tried to browse it, I couldn't find any tutorials which helped me. So yeah, after a lot of research, I found out this method, and I hope that this will help you. So without further ado, let's start. So first, this is my YouTube channel, and we're going to upload a video. So if you guys have not seen it, we have made a game called Rage, and feel free to check it out. The game's link has been posted. So yeah, so here's where we're gonna do all the magic. So see, if you try to put a space, it doesn't work because YouTube is pretty smart, and it does know what is a character and what is not. So what we're gonna do is that I do have a blog, if you guys don't know. So this is a blog, ruleoffender.blogspot.com. So the link will be given in the description. So if you go there, you get this a lot of pages. So click on the latest page, which is how to make a nameless YouTube video. And
Did you mean a nameless YouTube video?
no, and yeah, so just copy this, Control C, and go here and paste it. So ta-da, yeah. Guys, so this is it. Yeah, so if you click on next, you can publish a nameless video. But yeah, this video doesn't make a lot of sense, so I'm not gonna publish this video. But yeah, this is it. So feel free to try, and yeah, thank you guys.